customer on the way says he wants to take a look at the old Chrysler 200. For those of you guys just tuning in, we got a 2012 Chrysler 200 for sale. 146,000 miles, super clean little ride. I'm asking $38.50 for it. Priced it a little bit cheap. Hopefully we'll sell it real quick. Let's find out. They're on their way. They're about to pull in. There she goes. $38.50. Chrysler 200 is out of here. That was a good one, man. Sorry to see it go. Hell, I would have held on to that one for myself. That's how you know it's income tax season. I got paid all in 20s. Oh my god. Look at, it's all 20s, guys. Alright, so unlike the last video where we took the walk of shame, not getting the car sold at the auction, this time we get to do the good walk back down the driveway. That's my favorite walk right there. That's how you know I sold the car, and I got to walk back to the house. So anyway, that one's out of here. $38.50. Did pretty good on it. We only paid $2,400 for that car, and like we didn't have to do anything to it. Nothing. Didn't have to touch it. So not too bad. I'm not going to complain. But we got to get back to the auction again, see if we can't get the next one before the prices really start to skyrocket. We'll probably go back to my usual auction, the El Reno Auto Auction. I love that auction. I find really good deals out there. And so we'll keep you posted on the flip car situation, see what we get in here on the next go around. So hey, now that you guys are caught up on the flipping situation, Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds along with TK's Garage is on the way right now. They're bringing that Copart cop car down here, and we're going to slap a new fender and a new bumper on it right quick. Shouldn't take too long, pretty straightforward, and we're going to get that thing on the road again. So anyway, here we go. All right, here comes Randy. Got the Auto Auction Copart cop car coming down the driveway. He's coming in, lights are blazing. Wonder what the neighbors think. There he goes. What's up, hey, what's up, man? Got TK back there, TK's Garage. What's up, man? You finally made it, huh? So you ready to do a little body work?
Yeah, you want to hop in?
Yeah. There's what we're fixing, for those of you that don't know. Yeah, we'll get that fixed right up, dude. This ought to be pretty easy. What's up, TK?
What's going on, man?
Same old, same old. Well, let's get started on it, man.
Yeah. Well, it was a bitch for him to get it out over there, but yeah.
Yeah, as soon as they want to come and clip.
No.
shit. Don't record this shit. I'm over here just fiddling with shit, man. I can't get that plastic piece to go on to save my life. Look at that paint match. That is on point, 100%. Look at that.
Sit. It's done. Send it. I couldn't believe it. I was like, man.
It must have been a small group then, or was it just maybe somebody was active on it at the time? That's good. Yeah.
Do you remember which bar that went through?
I think it went through the lower one.
The bottom one?
Yeah, I think it went through the that one.
Like that one?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, you
I
can see where it's been on.
yeah.
Yeah.
All right, that fits.
Look at that.
That thing fits nice.
Put some hurt on it?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, I think that's working too. Okay. I think we're in this.
Because that's the final piece. Oops.
Looks good.
Look at that.
That works. That's a better gap.
It's opening it up.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
See what I mean?
Yeah, it's kind of, yeah.
All right, here we go. Firing it up after cutting the mufflers off. Let's see what it sounds like.
No mufflers. Here we go. This is what it's all about, is the feeling you get after you do something.
Right.
And it sounds so good right now.
It sounds perfect.
You guys be careful. See y'all later. We'll do more stuff like that as time goes by. All right, so it's time to head down to the auction, see if we can't pick up another flip. All right, so we're down here at the El Reno Auto Auction. It's actually called the Route 66 Auto Auction in El Reno. There was a line out the door walking into this place. This is a dealer and public auction. So we got a lot of public here. Those income tax checks are out, and they're ready to buy some cars. So they're going to be in here driving the costs up. I can already see exactly how this is going to go. So anyway, we'll record it. We'll get some prices for you guys, kind of give you guys an idea of what everything's going for out there, and we'll let you decide. You guys leave some comments. Let me know if you think some of these things went too high, too low, or what. So anyway, here we go.
You want some sport to take out of town tonight? Yeah, there she is. $3,000. 25. 25. $2,000. $2,000. I'm telling you, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, sold it to you for $17.50. You did a good job. Sold it, sir. Take your signature over your place.
98 model in green. Here we go for the video $3,500. $2,500 green lights on right and drive for the video $1,500. $1,600, $1,000 bill now over the 5 over the 10 later. $1,100 includes $500 now, $600 now, $6 now, $7 now, $8 now, $9 over the 9 to 5, $900. $900 half now, $900. $950, good, $9.5, got it, $9,000. Sold it, $11.50, sold it, $11.50.
Sold that old Ranger for $11.50. Good Lord, that thing wasn't worth $400 on its best day. This is what happens when the public comes in, man. They spend too much money. It's ridiculous. Damn, 05 Mercedes, 79,000 miles, 3,500. That thing's not bad either. That thing's nice. Let's go look at it one more time. That was not on a call. That one actually did sell. So I don't know, man. What do you guys think? 79,000 miles. Man, she looks so good too. That is a sweet ride right there. I love that body style. The Mercedes tag on the front. The inside is so nice. No rips, no tears, no excessive wear. Got the wood grain. Yeah, this is a nice little ride. Somebody got a good one, I think. What do you guys think? So we won this one for $1,200 on an if. It's on a call, so we gotta wait. They'll get a hold of us here in just a little bit and let us know if we got it or not. Now, I've been checking this thing out. Body looks pretty decent on it. It's not wrecked up at all. It's got a few little scuffs. They always do. There's one right there. The worst I could see body-wise really is that it just needs this glass mirror right here. Look, 142,000 miles, so we're right on the miles. It's an 07 model. You know, we've flipped these before and we did just great on them. $1,200, definitely cheap enough, but I guess we'll find out here in a little bit. But for now, we're gonna go to lunch. We're gonna get something to eat right quick and just wait on that call. They may counter us. They may want more. We'll see. You never know. Awesome. You cool with being on camera? Yeah. All right, there we go. Cool. All right, you guys, we got it. We won it for 1,200 bucks. So let the adventures begin. We're gonna see about getting this thing home. We got a long drive, 60 friggin' miles. So here we go. All right, so there it is. Hopefully you guys can see that. $1,200. That's where we had it on a call, but luckily we got it. Got 07 Pontiac Grand Prix. So here we go, man. Let's see if we can get her home. Well, so far so good. She sounds good on the bumps. I tell you what, this driveway is pretty bumpy coming out of this auction, and you can tell real quick if you bought a beater or not. This old bumpy road sure brings it out of them. So anyway, so far so good. We got to get straight to the gas station, though, that's for sure. I'm going to test out some of the windows while we're here. So that one's working. Cool. Let's see about this one. Yep. How about this one over here? Let's see. All right. All the windows are working. Okay, so we're on to a good start. We tested the radio earlier. Radio works fine. Man, we're batting 1,000 so far. As long as we can get it home, we'll be all right. So far so good. We're shifting. Man, we gotta get straight to this gas station. Alright, so I got a few errands I need to run. I'm just gonna go ahead and drive this car and see how it does. It'll be a good chance to give it a little test drive, see how she's gonna do. So far so good. Hey, you guys remember the old Caprice auto auction rebuilds? Check it out. The guy we sold it to still got it. There she is. He loves this car. He says she's still doing really, really good. Cruises down the highway by 80, 85 miles an hour on a regular basis. Says he got pulled over in it the other night doing almost 90 on the turnpike. He says he can't help it. It rides so smooth. You can't even tell you're going that fast. But there she is. Just a quick little update on that. I just happened to come across it and I figured I'd show you guys. I know some of you guys really like this car. I thought it was a great car myself. So anyway, there she is. Quick little update on the old Caprice. What was it, a 93 I believe? There she is. hoping that you're not gonna have any issues, no breakdowns, no shifting problems, any of that kind of stuff. And she seems to drive really good. The struts feel good in it. It's not banging around on this old country road. So I think we did good. We'll know more when we get it to the house, get it in the shop, look it over real good, make a list of all the little things that we need. You know, I can see that, you know, mirrors broken and stuff like that. We'll take care of stuff like that. Clean it up real good. And this one ought to be pretty easy to clean because it isn't even that dirty, and it's mostly black interior. The seats, the carpet, everything is black. So really easy to clean. But anyway, you know, that's all for another video. We'll be sure to take you guys along when we go to the pull-apart yard to find some mirrors and whatever else we might end up needing. We're not going to leave you guys out of any of that, so we'll be sure and bring you guys along on all that kind of stuff. And until then, I guess we're out of here. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys on the next one.